Hello, I am Neha and today I am going to tell you a story about a little girl, Arya. The name of the story is Arya's First Day at School. Let's begin.
Today is Arya's first day at school. Amma has come to drop Arya to school. Arya has a new bag with new books. Arya also has a new basket, water bottle and tiffin box. Do you remember your first day at school? Arya is scared. Arya is holding Amma's hand. Arya is crying. Amma hugs Arya. Arya does not want to let Amma go home. How do you feel when Amma drops you to school? The teacher comes and smiles at Arya. She holds Arya's hand and takes her into the school. The teacher is nice. Arya likes her teacher. Arya meets many friends and plays at school. She is happy. Amma comes to pick her up after school. Do you know what she said? School is so much fun, Amma, she said. Do you also like to go to school?